Math tricks. Trick 1. Multiply decimals fast. Example 1. 0.3 times 0.04. Instead of counting zeros at the end, break it into two steps. Step 1. Multiply the whole numbers. 3 times 4 equals 12. Step 2. Count the total decimal places. 0.3 has one decimal place. 0.04 has 2. Total 3. 1, 2, and 3. So the answer is 0.012. Example 2. 0.07 times 0.004. Step 1. Multiply the whole numbers. 7 times 4 equals 28. Step 2. Count the total decimal places. 0.07 has two decimal places. 0.004 has 3. Total 5. These are 5 decimal places. So the answer is 0.00028. Trick 2. Which fraction is bigger? 10 over 3 or 7 over 2? Don't find common denominators, just cross multiply. Cross multiply 10 times 2 equals 20. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 is bigger. So 7 over 2 is bigger. Another one. 5 over 7 or 7 over 11. Cross multiply. 5 times 11 equals 55. 7 times 7 equals 49. 55 is bigger. So 5 over 7 is bigger. Trick 3. Common factor shortcut. Example 1. All terms are 5 squared. So factor it out. 5 squared multiplied by the sum of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5 squared times 5 equals 5 to the power of 2 plus 1, which becomes 5 to the power of 3. Example 2. Factor out 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of 7 multiplied by the sum of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 2 to the power of 7 times 4, and 4 equals 2 to the power of 2. So this becomes 2 to the power of 7 plus 2 equals 2 to the power of 9. Whenever you see the same power repeated, don't add them one by one. Just factor out the power. Trick 4. Dividing fractions. Flip the second one. Example 1. 5 over 3 divided by 3 over 10. Dividing fractions is easy. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction. Change division to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. 5 over 3 multiplied by 10 over 3 equals 50 over 9. Example 2. 8 over 15 divided by 6 over 5. 8 over 15 multiplied by 5 over 6. When simplify, the answer is 4 over 9. Trick 5. Percentages without a calculator. Example 1. 30% of 120. Break the percentage into easy parts. 100% equals 120. 10% equals 12. So 30% equals 12 times 3 equals 36. Example 2. 15% of 220. 100% equals 220. 10% equals 22. 5% equals 11. So 15% equals 22 plus 11 equals 33. Example 3. 25% of 84. 100% equals 84. 50% equals 42. Half of that, 25% equals 21. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.